In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to manage shopping cart payment options on your Contegro e-commerce site. Before you get started on adding new payment options, make sure that you have a shopping cart confirmation and any payment gateway pages set up in your site tree. You can refer to the shopping cart setup tutorial or the user guide for more information on this. To add a new payment option, log in and select Payment Methods in the Start menu. There are two payment options that you can add to your checkout: offline and online. An example of an offline payment is bank deposit. This is where your customer pays for their order outside of your online store. With a Contegro site, you also have the option of purchasing hosted and non-hosted payment gateway add-ons, so you can offer an online credit card payment option to your customers. For my first example, I'm going to add an offline payment option so you can see how it works. The code can be up to 20 characters long. Just make sure it's unique or you'll get an error when trying to save. Next, add a descriptive title and then select the country or countries where this payment option is available. You can choose all other countries to offer this payment option worldwide, or select a specific country. If this payment option isn't offered to the general public, use the Member field to set permissions. Only site members who belong to the selected groups will be able to select this option in the checkout. Now I'll add a description of the offline payment details. As a recommendation, use this field to add detailed instructions on how your customer can make payment, for example your bank details, or any other useful information that ensures that payment isn't delayed once the order is placed. For offline payment options, select the page where the shopping cart confirmation module resides. If this is the first payment option that you're adding, then the order drop-down defaults to 1. As you add more options, you can use the drop-down to set the ordering. As you can see, my first payment option is for a specific country. So if you have unique bank accounts for each country that you accept orders from, you can create additional payment options with the same title and set the description and country as required. Next, let's look at online payment options using one of our payment gateway modules. The target for an online payment option should be set to the page where your payment gateway module resides. If you are using a credit card option on your site, remember to register for a merchant account with the third party first. One final tip: if your customers choose an offline payment option to place their order, or their credit card payment is unsuccessful, the payment received tick box in the shopping cart order details report will be disabled, so remember to update this setting once payment is received.